Hello, everybody. So, today we are going to be reading our breaking news. You do have a copy of this in your work packet for week one. So, I would go and get that work packet. And so you guys can follow along and answer the questions. That is your final worksheet for this week, which means we completed our first week of um, digital learning, which is exciting. So, today we're going to be reading about sports news. The news article that we're reading is called Summer Olympics Delayed. All right. The 2020 Summer Olympics will be delayed. Leaders made the announcement on March 24th. The Summer Olympics were planned to be in Tokyo, Japan. The Summer Olympics were planned for summer 2020. Athletes from around the world compete in the Olympics. So, just to recap, the Summer Olympics are where people, lots and lots of people from around the world, come together to play sports. And it was going to be in Japan. And it was going to be this summer. So, the summer months are usually June, July, August. It happens every 4 years. It's a big deal. We'll go over it more in the next slide. Leaders are worried about the coronavirus. Athletes are worried too. Leaders delayed the Summer Olympics. They want to help athletes be healthy. Leaders will make a plan for the Summer Olympics. So, like I said, the Summer Olympics happens every 4 years. And so people have been practicing for a long time, but they're worried and they're canceling it, or not canceling it, I'm sorry, postponing it. So they're going to make it for a later date. They don't know what time yet, but a later date because they don't want people to get sick from the coronavirus. And next week, actually, we're going to be talking a lot about the coronavirus. That will be our topic for that'll be the topic for our main article. So we'll go over, you'll get very familiar with the coronavirus. All right, let us answer the questions for this article. Sorry about that. Let me move the screen down. Okay, so the first question asks, number one, what will be delayed? Is it March Madness, which is basketball, Winter Olympics, or Summer Olympics? So, sorry, I have to sneeze. Excuse me. March Madness is basketball week for college basketball. Winter Olympics happens in the winter time, and winter is over, and winter won't be coming back until December. So that's not it. So it's going to be Summer Olympics because our next season is going to be summer. We're in spring right now, and then it'll be
Summer Olympics.
the Summer Olympics. Okay, number two. Who competes in the Olympics? Is it babies, athletes, or carpenters? So we all know what babies are. Babies are just, little babies. We know what carpenters are, maybe. Carpenters are people that build, like maybe they're a part of building a home or a building. They use a lot of tools. They help around the house with any major projects you might need. If something is broken, if something needs to be fixed, they can all help you. They don't perform in the Olympics. Athletes, so like people who play sports. The Summer Olympics has swimmers, basketball players, gymnastics, lots of sports are performed in the Olympics. So athletes is the answer. And our third question asks, where were the Summer Olympics planned to be? So if you want to refer back to your article that we were just reading, you'll see that I mentioned this earlier. Where is the Summer Olympics going to be? It's going to be, or it's still going to be, I think, here, but it's just not happening in the summertime. It'll be It's supposed to be at the Tokyo, Japan.
Tokyo, Japan.
All right. All right, good job. That is our last language arts assignment for this week.